Hello, Maze. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to Filo, Maze. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so your time basically, okay, Maze, let me tell you an interesting thing. So at your place, the timing is 8 p.m. at night, no?
Yes.
And in my place, the timing is 9:29 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no problem. So let's have but can you please tell me that the one which you have sent, what do you want to know? Basically, the solution or the explanation or so exactly what do you want to know in the question, please? Can you please tell me?
I need to know for the four ones on the bottom, I need to know like which ones go in order.
Okay, so basically you want to know the sequence of glycolysis, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, sure. So we will start off like this that first of all let's understand what is glycolysis and then we will move on, okay?
Okay.
So yes, I'll write it. Wait. Let me show you one correct thing. So basically as you can see glycolysis, so we can say we will move on through a roadmap like I'll show you. Can you see the board? Can you confirm, please?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So lysis means breakdown, isn't it?
Yes.
So what is broken down in glycolysis?
Breakdown.
Glucose 6, yes.
Okay.
Glucose 6 phosphate is broken down,
Yeah.
isn't it? Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. So now we will see the options. Well, a 6 carbon molecule is broken down into 3 carbon, 3 carbon molecules. Two NADP plus molecules are converted into two NADH molecules. Okay. Two phosphate groups from the two ATP molecules are joined to form glucose. Okay. Two phosphate groups from the two ATP molecules are joined to form glucose. Okay. Two 3 carbon molecules are converted into two molecules of pyruvate as four molecules of ATP are produced. So let's see what are the reactions then. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, first one will be the cleavage of, we can say, the 6 carbon molecule is broken down into two 3 carbon molecule because out of the there are 10 steps of glycolysis, isn't it?
Yes.
So in the first 5 steps, let me tell you, first step is we can say glucose is phosphorylated. Glucose, which is 6 C6H12O6, it is phosphorylated to become glucose 6 phosphate. Okay.
Okay.
So let me show it to you so that you can understand. So phosphorylation of glucose. Then this glucose is actually, we can say, fructose is an isomer. So means isomer means structurally it is the same. Okay, structure is the
Okay.
same. So here isomer, next step is isomerization takes place into fructose 6 phosphate. Okay, then we know that the third step is again the phosphorylation of fructose 6 phosphate is formed to form fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. So it is fructose 1,6 bisphosphate. Then the next one we can say that, wait, let me show you. Yes. So now what we can say that the next step involves After the formation of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, it is converted into two molecules of glyceraldehyde. Okay, so already fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is a basically carbon compound, isn't it? 6-carbon compound.
Yes.
So it is converted into two compounds of 3 carbons each. Okay, so I can write 3-carbon compound, which is glyceraldehyde. Two molecules of glyceraldehyde is formed. Okay, till
Okay.
now is it clear? Is it clear till now?
Yes.
Okay, so we will write it as the carbon compound is split into two carbon compound is the first step. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then what is it given? Let's see. What are our options? So basically, the first one, a 6-carbon molecule is broken down into two 3-carbon molecules. That will be the first step. Then let's see. Two NADP plus molecules are converted into two NADH molecules. So NADP molecules are converted into two NADH molecules. Well, okay. So this will be the next step. Okay. After the formation of, basically, let me show you. So here, if I write it like this, two glyceraldehyde. This will undergo a reaction, and in this reaction, what happens is that 2 NAD plus gives out 2 NADH. Wait. NADH, okay. And the product, let me tell you what will it form. It will form 1,3-phosphoglycerate, okay, bisphosphoglycerate. So it will form 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate, okay.
Okay.
So the first step, it was here 1. Then again the next step it says 2 NADP gives you 2 NADH, so it will be the second step, okay. Then let's
Okay.
move on to okay. So now let's move on to see. Wait. Two phosphate groups from the two ATP molecules are joined to form glucose. Let's see where it is done then. Two phosphate molecules are joined to form glucose. Okay. Yes. So the next step here we are having. So we can say now two ATP molecules, basically they form two ATP molecules in return and giving rise to the breakage. Hydrolysis takes place. Okay. Hydrolysis takes place in the next step.
Okay.
Yes. And then we are having, so basically the third step is two phosphate groups from the two ATP molecules are joined to form the glucose. Wait. You see, yes, glucose. Two phosphate groups. Two phosphate groups from the two ATP molecules are joined to form the glucose. So ATP is getting utilized here. Oh, these are the first two steps. Well, let me tell you one more thing. So here, this part, two, basically in the later part, ATP is formed, but in the earlier part, the upper 5 steps, let's move back. In this place, in the first step, one ATP was required, and then in the next step, also one ATP was required. Okay, so here in these two steps, two ATP molecules already used up. Okay, so from according to our thing, our information provided, it is written that two phosphate groups from the two ATP molecules are joined to form glucose. So that will result into the first step in our case. So our sequence will be, this one will be the first one, then this one will be the second one, this one will be the third one, and then the last one. Three carbon molecules are converted into two molecules of pyruvate ultimately. Okay,
Okay.
so your correct sequence will be 3. Wait, let me write it down. Your answer. So basically, it is provided like this. So it will be 2, 3, 1, and 4. Okay, the sentences are like this.
Okay. That makes a lot more
Oh.
sense.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else you want to know?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Welcome, Mage. So please connect further if you have any doubts. And until then, bye bye. Take care. Have a great day, and yes, all the best.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mage. Please rate the session.
I will.